Hey, this is Freddie Castillo with Dawg Motorsports. This is an event for my son. In March, we found out that he had brain cancer, a tumor in the back of his brain. He had 2 back-to-back surgeries. He loved football, he loved sports, doing all that, and he can't do that no more. So we did this huge event for my son. It's amazing. So many people came out. Great turnout, fun time, love it. Next year's gonna be even better and bigger. Can't wait.
Good, man.
Number 31. Number 31.
You ready for next year, too? You like the benefit we had? So sit on this Loretta bike we made for you.